think there's another law school in the country that can come close to matching Penn in terms of the quality of interdisciplinary opportunity offered. Law today is complicated. It's about more than law. It's related to many aspects of business and science. Breadth of education is important to a good lawyer.
I chose Penn Law School because of the incredible wealth of opportunities that it offers, as far as resources especially. There are opportunities to pursue a very cross-disciplinary course of study and to sort of make your own way at law school, which is a pretty rare opportunity.
One of the main things that attracted me to Penn was the way in which the whole intellectual community at this university is so geared toward interdisciplinary research and engagement. I was able in other universities to create a kind of interdisciplinary home for myself, but it wasn't as supported by the whole university and as embraced by the whole university as I find at Penn.
A good cross-disciplinary education distinguishes a graduate of Penn Law School in the job market. It makes you different from graduates of other law schools. It gives you a unique appeal because of the breadth of the educational experience that you've gotten, because of the exposure that you've had to fields beyond law that are going to make you better at serving clients.
By doing a cross-disciplinary program, I think you get the chance to meet people with a very distinct perspective from your own. The way we approach problems and the way we see situations and approach our own studies are very different, and I think it's given me a new perspective. In addition, as a future attorney, we're ultimately in the client service business, and these are the people who I'm going to be working for.
Also working with other people that think through a different type of practice lens, and so I'm kind of learning organically through my colleagues and my peers that are at other programs that way, and I think that that's another aspect of interdisciplinary learning that I think is a privilege here at Penn.
One of the reasons that Penn's approach to interdisciplinary education is so successful is because of how it's managed. The law school's programs are well integrated with the other schools, and that makes it so much more accessible for law students who are interested in interdisciplinary education.
I felt Penn Law made it really easy. There were always a lot of resources in terms of people that I could speak to about what would be the advantages, the disadvantages, what that would do to my class schedule, what it would do to my funding. So it was a very easy process in terms of having a lot of support on any questions that I might have and on what would be the advantages of the program.
My experience so far taking classes outside the law school has been incredibly enriching. After my 1L year of study, when I was mostly focusing on doctrinal courses, the ability to immerse myself in another way of learning.
Knowing your client's business, being able to understand what your client is up to, having your client get the sense that you understand them is important to being successful as a lawyer. The interdisciplinary education that Penn offers qualifies its graduates to do all of those things.
I mainly chose Penn A because of the caliber of the law school and the quality of the people that are here and the opportunities that are available at the law school alone. But then given the fact that kind of Penn excels in a range of its other graduate programs as well, then it was kind of just a given to end up choosing Penn.